Nova helps your team excel by providing you a unique way to encourage your team to think through ideas and strategies. The main goal or idea of your team is captured in the project and sets the overall goal of your team's idea. Next, you can define your milestone within the project in the form of sessions, by allocating the when, who, and what is needed to get your work done. These sessions are where the rubber meets the road and where work really gets done. Finally, these sessions leverage tools and/or resources to define the how your team will hit their goal. In this video, we'll provide the brief overview of our custom tool creator, the Tool Builder. The Tool Builder is a very useful feature available to you through Nova. Consultants, teachers, managers, and organizations around the world use it to develop their own tools to better guide their teams, students, and stakeholders during a work session. Go to the Tool Builder or to the tool list and start a new tool. Tools are divided into name and description, type of format, steps, resource, and usage. Name and description of a tool. You can add a name, icon, description, information about how to use the tool, and add it to a category. The format. We currently have two types of tools, list format and board format. One looks like this, and the other one like this. The list format is better for work sessions where collaborators need to work on their own, and you want a more traditional format, so steps are more trackable and you can create a report. The list format is very versatile. I'll show you in a bit. You also have steps, the number of steps teams, students, or stakeholders need to take to achieve a goal. Usage and privacy. Who and how will people use each step? Select if the steps should be private for guest contributors or open for all, or only for team members. Now let's go over the Tool Builder. This version is our beta version, so the design may change soon. I will add the information about the tool here, the name, the description, a bit about the information about how to use the tool, etc. I will now select the tool format. Once I have that, I start creating the steps. Step 1, and I add the step title. I can also add an additional description or a photo. Then I select the type of resource I want to use for this step, for example, the multi-selector. I also choose if I want answers to remain private between guests, or if this is just a preparation step that can only be seen by people working with me in this account. Here you can see an example of the difference between a list format and a board format. When creating a tool, you can easily toggle between list and board format. The main difference being that a list format can add multiple types of resources, such as a multi-selector, role-playing, board, or notes, whereas a board format is itself a resource and therefore you cannot add further resources to it. This tool will be inside My Tools and we'll find it as a draft. Tools can't be changed once they're published, so we recommend you reviewing your tools before you publish them. If in future you want to change a tool, you can duplicate that tool and make any necessary changes. You can also archive older tools that you may not be using regularly. Thank you for choosing Nova. See you soon.